Hello guys, welcome to the Mixed Maker, and today we are gonna review the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. It's the Funskool Rubik's Cube, and yeah, when we see the Rubik's Cube, it looks so good. You can see the logo of Rubik's, and the color combination is so good. That is, the color texture is bright, and it has high quality tiles. As you can see, it is smooth and fits easily in hand, and it can be rotated smoothly and fast. Yeah guys, actually I don't have the package of this cube, and I have been using this cube from last 3 months, and cube has helped me a lot. It is so good and so smooth. When I bought it, it was for rupees 280, and now its price is rupees 313. As you can see, the cube, the combination with black makes it look so good, and I'm providing a link in the description for the cube. Buy it from there. I have been cubing from last 7 months, and my best in 2x2 cube is 7 seconds. I'm not a good cuber, but still, and I'm gonna upload many more videos soon. Hope you have liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the Mixed Maker. Thank you guys.